Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have another video. It's a continuation of the earring video that I did using the Dollar Tree fox leather. I have 3 different colors here, but I bought about maybe 4 or 5 different colors. They have blue and some other colors. And I just wanted to come on here and finish a pair of earrings. Now these, please be careful. Before I go any further, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would do me a great honor if you would all subscribe to my channel. But I wanted to show you this material is not very stretchy. So trying to poke holes in it with this tool was a little difficult. So we did manage to get some holes in these and the brown pair. So the brown pair is a bonus pair we'll be putting together, and then we're going to put together this black pair here. This is using the fox leather from the Dollar Tree. Again, let me show you all how much. Please forgive me if I'm not staying in frame, but I wanted to show you all how much of this you get. So that's about, this mat is 12 inches, so it's about 15 inches. Actually, more than that, it's probably about 20 inches. Let me see what it says on the box. Yeah, 20 inches. So that's a good amount that you get for your money. So we'll put these together. We're going to use these findings that I got. These are charms. They have little sayings on them. These say, one says hope and one says faith. I hope you can see those. And please don't mind. I constantly wash my hands. It's a habit. And it's not really a bad habit. But these were, again, $125. Now, these I got from, I want to say Walmart or Michael's, one of the two. They're a little different from these. These they sell at the Dollar Tree, and these they do not. I prefer these. These are easier to work with, and these are the ball hook ear wires. But whatever you have will work. I got the jump rings from the Dollar Tree. These are the little jump rings that we're going to use to attach the hoops. And let's get this party started. Oh, I wanted to use these white ones, but I messed it up, guys. I'll try to redo it, but it's a no-go today. Let's try these. I like these. So with these, you're going to take it from this angle and put that on there just like that, because there's a little ball. I don't know if you all can see that. There's a little ball on the tip of that. And I would just take one of these charms and put that on there like that and close it, and you've got an earring. I love cute earrings. These are cute. I would absolutely wear that. These are cute. I hope you all can see that. I would wear these. Yeah, we're wearing them. Okay, let's do the other one really quickly. You're going to put it in like this. Then you're going to grab your little charm. And we're just going to close it with our finger. Now, I have jewelry pliers. Sometimes your finger is just more convenient. But that is cute. I love it. I'm wearing these. I'm wearing these tomorrow. I'm wearing those to work. Okay. So let's get to the other ones. Sorry I didn't have a chance to do the white ones. Ugh. These things right here I got from Michael's. They're called metal tassels, and clearly you can see why. But these we are going to need a jump ring with. But this is using Dollar Tree material that you find at the Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree. Yes, even if they went up on their prices, which, you know, we all had a fit about that. So we're going to put that on there first. Can y'all see that? Then we're going to put this on second. Okay. And then lastly, this goes on the back. And then we're just going to take our finger, and sometimes I have to use the jewelry pliers, but in this case it worked out fine. And that's cute. Yes, I'm wearing that. Ooh, how many times have you looked for a gold and brown pair of earrings? See that little tip, be careful where you put the hole, because sometimes that tip will stop it from closing. But I mean, this is good enough. And then the back of the earring, what I would probably do next time is just glue another piece to the back like that. So it can have a more finished look. But for the sake of the video, we're going to keep busting it out just like this. Ooh, these suckers are slippery. So let me just pick it up with my hand. And sometimes you can't find sometimes these jump rings are closed so tightly that you can't find the opening. See, this is the part that I would edit out, but I am not good at editing, so there's that. I know I've watched plenty of YouTube videos on it. I know somebody's going to say, just watch a YouTube video. No, girl, I need YouTube for dummies, okay? For real. I need somebody to talk me all the way through it, like all the way, and go very slow, so I won't have to watch the video 9,262 times. And we're going to put this on here just like this. Please, I hope y'all can see that. And I am going to hold it and close it with the pliers. And just like that, we're done. We have two cute pairs of earrings that you can give away, sell at a craft fair. Yes, cute, cute much. And here are some other earrings that I made. I did a video showing these. These I love. I'm wearing them. And these, yes, earrings. So thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate you all stopping by and just even giving my videos the time of day. So thank you. Have a wonderful day, and may God continue to bless you all.